A lot of times you may want to email out to a group of people at once. And if I were to go around onto Compose, then I do have an option to go around and add in multiple recipients right here, just like this. But if you want to go around and add in a certain recipients as a group each and every time you send an email, then what you can do is you can utilize something called labels in contacts so that you don't have to retype and re-enter those email addresses to send the emails to a particular group. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here on the bottom. If you haven't already done so, you can click on Source Side Panel, and then you can go around onto Contacts right here, and then you can expand this to open up the contacts area. So once I do that over here in contacts, you can see that I have an example email, and let's say this is a part of a particular group that I want to send the email to. So what you can do around over here is you can go around and click on, let's say, click on the contact right here, and then click on the manage label icon. So just like with Gmail, you can go around and then create out labels right here. So I'm just going to go around over here and say example group right here. So this is going to be the label, and over here on the left side, you got the example group. You can also make this a part of another label. Let's say, for example, this is going to be TutorTube label right here. So let me just click on save, and this is a part of example group now and the TutorTube group. So over here in other contacts, I'm just going to go around over here, add in a label to example group, and then for this one, this is going to be example group. For other contacts, this is going to be in example group and TutorTube group right here. Apply right here. I forgot to apply. So I'm just going to go around and then apply it to the rest as well. Example group, and then other contacts, and then I'm going to go around example group, apply other contacts, and then go around onto example group and apply. So once you do that, you can see the example group and TutorTube has 2 and example group has 5. So now once this is done, let me just go around and refresh up the Gmail page right here. And then I'm just going to go around, close up the contacts, and click on Compose. Let me just go to full screen as well. So over here on the to section, you can just go around and type in, let's say, TutorTube, and you see the group, the label group right here. And if I were to click on it, both of those emails are entered. Similarly, you can go around and type in, let's say, example, and there's the example group emails from the example group label. So if I were to click on it, then 5 emails are entered right there. And that is how you can go around and then utilize labels in contact in Gmail. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.